Welcome to Hidden Windows 11 Power Features. We'll show you how to master your PC with 15
Most
secret
people
tricks.
use
Windows like a beginner. That's the 90% problem. By the end of this video, you will be on your way to becoming a Windows Starting with secret setup and memory. Feature 1 is God Mode, unlocking over 200 settings in one folder. Feature 2 is Clipboard History, accessed with Win+V so you never lose copied text. Boost your efficiency with voice and layouts. Use Win+H for Windows to write for you. Win+Z instantly snaps layouts, arranging multiple windows with professional precision. Stop dragging and resizing. Let the OS handle system diagnostics. Use perfmon/report for a 60-second hardware scan, MS-Info32 for deep hardware specs, and Shift+Restart to access advanced startup for BIOS. Optimize your speed with Game Mode to prioritize FPS and system response. Storage Sense automatically cleans temporary files. This allows you to keep your PC fast without utility hacks. Use F2 for bulk rename of multiple files instantly. Task Manager is a direct shot with Control plus Shift plus ESC. And Smart Search via Win+S finds files, apps, and even in total settings. We are unlocking 15 features. From dynamic lock to virtual desktops, these tools are designed to save you seconds that add up to hours. They cover the full toolkit that 90% of users miss. For a seamless workflow, utilize virtual desktops with Win+Tab to separate your work, personal, and editing spaces. Also, enable Focus Assist to block distracting notifications for the ultimate. Ensure smart security with Dynamic Lock. Pair your phone with your PC, and Windows will automatically lock your station when your phone leaves the room. It's security that works as fast as the emergency kit includes Win+Alt+R for the built-in screen recorder. Advanced Startup provides access to safe mode and BIOS tools. And Hardware ID gets you all drivers and serial numbers via MS-Info32. Which feature did you not know before today? Feel free to like, comment, and subscribe for more tips and tricks. These are the image sources used in this video.